Okay guys, today we're gonna take a little walk around Chesapeake Beach, also known as Chic Beach, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia area. So let's go take a little look and see what we have. Okay, so I found a place to park, and there's a small wildlife habitat right here next to the water. And the road you're looking at back there, that is Route 13, which heads north and southbound and goes over the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. That takes you up to the Virginia Beach, not the Virginia Beach, but Virginia Eastern Shore. And if you keep on going a long ways up, you'll end up at Route 50 in Salisbury, Maryland, which can take you on into Ocean City, Maryland, and up into Rehoboth beaches and Dewey Beach and all that up there in Maryland. So just back here in the woods a little bit, looking around. And the community here, you can see some of the homes over there. It's just a quiet neighborhood back here. So I'm just walking around back here. It's a beautiful, cool day. Looks like some kind of a tree fort up there. Okay, so it just goes around here. And that's looking back where I started. So I'm going to leave the woods and just walk up the street here to the beach. We'll take a look at that. Chesapeake Beach Park. That's where we just were. Okay, so I'm on Beaufort Avenue and the corner of Lauderdale Avenue. And I'm just going to walk right up here. There's a beach access. A lot of little dead-end streets back here. So this is the neighborhood, or one of the neighborhoods. So we're just gonna go right here, and there's a beach access right here. And we'll go take a look at it. Now Chesapeake Beach, also known as Chic Beach, is located on the Chesapeake Bay. Back in the early days, it was a lookout, like during wartime. Like in the early 1900s, it ended up becoming what we know it as today, a beach community. And there has been a lot of debates among a lot of the old-timers, locals that have been around here for a long time, about the name Chic Beach. You know, they don't like that name. They prefer just Chesapeake Beach. I'm assuming that they think it sounds a little cheesy, not dignified. But anyway, it is Chesapeake Beach, commonly known as the name Chic Beach. So here we go. Here's the beach access, guys. Let's check it out. And here's the sign, clearly labeling it with a couple rules. I'm shooting this video in the month of March, so it's a nice cool day today. Beautiful blue skies though, so it's a perfect day outside. And someone who's seen another video of ours requested that we make this because they used to live here. I believe they live overseas now, so they wanted some footage of it, so that's why we're doing this. And again, you'll be able to see Route 13. That's the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Several miles. There's 2 tunnels and the rest is bridge. I don't know the exact length. It's at least, I think, 17 miles or somewhere right around there. It's very long. But that is the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, Route 13. So here you go, guys. This is Chic Beach. It's a beautiful local beach. It's a nice little community over here. You can see the sand is very nice. Really nice white sand. See the nice beach houses up here. So let's just take a little walk down here. And I came here via Shore Drive. You can see all the buildings on the other side of the bridge here. I drove up Shore Drive basically to get here. I took Great Neck Road all the way up. You can see Southwest Airlines 737 coming in. That is the Norfolk International Airport where he's approaching. It's a little windy today. So let's go down here. We'll go underneath the bridge, Route 13. So here we are underneath the Route 13 bridge, Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Let's check it out. Some people walking, a couple people behind me fishing today. Not sure what they're catching, but here you go. This is a direct shot looking right up the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. And when you cross it, heading southbound back to the Virginia Beach area, this is the way you would be going right here. So let's walk up here a little further. See the nice sand. So in the area, if you're looking for a good restaurant to eat at in the area, you can just head down Shore Drive, heading east toward the Virginia Beach area. You know, the Virginia Beach. And actually, there's plenty of nice restaurants, seafood restaurants. And there are hotels around the area. So it is a convenient location to visit. Here we go, we're on the other side of the bridge now. We're on the east side of the bridge. And the house is just a little closer to the beach here. Just when you're in the neighborhood, be careful as far as parking. I found a little area next to that nature park there, clearly labeled that you can park there, with the exception of 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. It's okay. There are places you can park. Most of the neighborhood streets you have to be careful. A lot of the apartments or whatever, you might find signs saying permit parking only. So just be careful. You know, follow the signs so you don't get towed. It's I was able to easily find a place to park, and that shouldn't be a problem if you just take your time. So here we go. We're just going to walk down a little bit more. And you can start seeing the buildings over there, heading down Shore Drive. This is the Chesapeake Bay. Of course, over at Virginia Beach, Sandbridge Beach and all that, we're off the Atlantic Ocean. This is the Chesapeake Bay. A lot of people say it's a great place to do some paddle boarding. You know, it's a little more calm than the waters over at the Atlantic side beaches. So if you're looking for that, might be a good idea for you. All right, guys, just ahead is Buoy 44. It's a well-known local restaurant here on Chesapeake Beach, and as you can see, it's right on the beach, overlooking the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, and a great view. It's a well-known restaurant, like I said, so if you're looking for fresh seafood, nice seafood dinner with a great view, this is the one right here, Buoy 44. I can try to put a link in the description down below for this restaurant, and you can check it out and see the menu, but it's right here. So you can see where I'm walking now. The beach is very small. The water is coming pretty close to where I'm at, but I think we can get by, so I'll continue. We'll get a little better look at the restaurant. There you go, right there. Buoy 44, fine seafood, right on the beach. So like I said, I'll leave a link in the description down below if anyone's interested in checking that out. And you can see how far I've walked down. So that's how close it is to the bridge right there. Okay guys, so I'm attempting to walk down without getting my feet wet. So wish me luck. Okay, so obviously that's about as far as I can walk. I will take some other footage down Shore Drive a little further. Just wanted to start here at Chesapeake Beach. So I'll try to take a little more footage down there, actually going down Shore Drive, just so you can see a little bit more of the area as you drive through. So I'll try to do that as I drive back. So I'm gonna head back the other way. It's a little windy. And we'll try to take some footage from the car, let you see a little bit more going down Shore Drive. Okay guys, one more shot. I'm crossing back underneath the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, and I'm gonna walk back to the car. So we're gonna head back now and drive down Shore Drive and look at a little bit more in the area here. So I'll just show a little bit more of the beach. And I'll be back in the car in just a moment, and we'll continue with the tour heading down Shore Drive. So I hope you enjoyed the beach part of this. Okay guys, we are heading down Shore Drive now, heading back home. In a little area called Ocean Park here. We're heading eastbound, which if you stay on this road will take you to Atlantic Avenue, not too far from the Cape Henry Lighthouse and the Virginia Beach. And you'll go right past First Landing State Park as well if you continue driving this way. So we're gonna go over the bridge here. We'll just take a little footage heading down Shore Drive, like I said, just so you can see the area a little bit. So enjoy this. A little bumpy. They're doing some kind of work up here. I'm not sure what they're doing. You see this big unit on the right side? Not sure what that is. If anybody knows, let us know down below in the description. You know, the comment section. Not sure what that is. this area is nice. And again, there's some other restaurants around here too. Donut shop over there. Sugar Shack Donuts is called. That used to be a Starbucks. It was actually a really cool Starbucks. So I hate to see that one gone, but now you can go there and get donuts. To my left is CP Suckers. It's there's a restaurant there. There's a chicken restaurant right there. Bobo's. To my left is Westminster Canterbury. It's a big building. It's a really nice retirement community with medical staff on hand. It's a really nice place there, and they sit right on the beach as well, on the east side of the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. This is the Lynn Haven Colony Shops, little shopping center here, just to the right. Shore Break. It's a burger place, what we just passed on the right there, that's Shore Break. And there's also a Reef Bar and Grill. On the left is McDonald's, which is not hard to find anywhere. So I'm going to get over here, guys. This is Great Neck Road, so I'm going to head on home. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, the beach, and a little bit of shore drive here. So we're going to head down Great Neck Road and head back home. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed walking around. And if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Come back, watch some more videos, and like and subscribe to the channel. We will be posting plenty more videos soon, and plenty of videos in the summer. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.